Cold Kicks YouTube channel. We are back in Culver City. I haven't been to this mall in forever. Let's go to Champs. Let's go. Dude got Champion gear for 70% off. It's like all Champion stuff. Some Puma t-shirts as well. They got Locker brand shorts right here going for 70% off. These are $40, so what, 12 bucks for all these. Crocs down to $30. And these are the, what is the English Crocs right here. All going for 30, not bad. I did grab these for my kiddo. Okay. Checking out the latest Jordan release right here. Is this the Okra or whatever? Okay, these ain't bad, I guess. Ain't bad. These still on sale. Are these still not on sale? I'm surprised to see that. Still regular price. Wow. Curry 11s here. I swear I have not seen too many Curries, and then starting to see them here and there. Seen them on sale. Seen them on sale at Shoe Palace. Just I think one colorway though. Still got the Fear 3s right here. Royal Mids. Zion 3s in a colorway I've never seen. Is that a glow in the dark outsole right there? Okay. Getting a little more and more interesting. These are looking not bad. $140 for those. Cannot believe these are still $100. I've seen these on sale for so cheap at the outlets and so many other retail stores. I don't think I've seen these Jason Tatums in this colorway. Pretty dope colorway. Got a little hit of green right there, like a neon green. $120 for those. Checking out the women's section. There's really like a dearth of sales here, which is kind of interesting. Do got these right here. What is it? The 5740s right here. It looks super comfortable. Looks super comfortable. $60 for those. Got some blazers right here. Vapor Max right there, going for $120 each. Not many sales tags in the women's section though. I thought I'd see way more sales tags. All you Shaq fans should be rejoicing about this. Look at this, $60. $60 for OG Shaq attacks. This is a size 8 on display. Oh my goodness, $60 freaking dollars. Man, I would double up on these, but excuse me. I would double up on these, but man, too many bills right now, man. Damn. 37s right here. Do have the Anthony Edwards right here, the AEs. I heard these have been selling out, and this is just a size 13 right here, so smaller sizes selling out. Dope to see Adidas getting some popularity, man. They getting some buzz. That's what's up. Here in the Adidas section, I would have thought there'd be some sales in the Adidas section. Not really much. Adidas foam's going for $60. Got these for $100, but that's about it. Been checking out some skate shops lately. Got some SB Blazers right here. These are pretty dope. Got some different colors. Not bad. Size 8.5, and they only have one. $50. $50. That's not bad for SB Blazers. SB Dunk highs on sale. These are huge though. Size 15 only. $75, and then they have one more of these SB Dunk. These are the candy corn colorway right here. 9.5, last pair. Some SB mids right here. Super clean. $60. They do have a few sizes. This Grant Taylor has his own SB mid as well. I know they made the low GTs, but got mids as well. $85 for those. Got a few different colorways going for $85. This is $62 right here. These are just regular blazer mids. Ice shods, these have been on sale. I think he has an Air Max that just came out too, but $70 for these. $72 for these right here. Pretty clean colorway. $60. $95, $60 for these. Oh, these are the Ice Shot 2s right here. Made them into an Air Max, which is definitely interesting. The Ice Shot 2s got a couple of different colorways. Yeah, $110 for these bad boys. Okay, they're interesting. Nothing that I'm like super into, but Ice Shot 2s if you like the skate shoes right there. The 808s right here. belongs to Thiago Limos, I guess. Pretty dope signature shoe right here. These belong to Tom Knox. 600s right here, going for 95. Another one of these. Got some really good material on these. 85 bucks. More Thiagos right here, go for 110. If you're into skate shoes, they got a nice little selection here. Nice little selection. And then we do got lids with their semi-annual clearance sale. I don't think the amount's gone down yet. Yeah, we're still talking about 40% off clearance prices. I do like these right here. $64 for the Lakers shorts right here in PLS. I do really love these. I think that's still close to 40 bucks, like $38 or something. 40 for these Larry Johnson jerseys right here, $40. That would be what, $24? This is a small though. That is a small. This is interesting. Sean Kemp down to $68. 113 for these. Vince Carter right here, 113 still. Padres Nike jersey right here, $80. Jackie Moon jersey from that movie. Oh, I was like, that's for the t-shirt right in front. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, that's still $80 for that one. Petrovic going for 95 still. RJ Barrett, didn't he just get traded? That fool just got traded. Dodgers tank top Michelin's, 25 bucks. That's down to like $15. $60 for the Red Sox. Like kind of like a jersey, but not really. This is all mediums right here. Shaq jersey right here. This is, I think these are all 113 still. Got LeBron Select jersey right here, $80. 80 bucks. Okay. 68 for all these shorts right here, but these are shorter though. These are shorter for the younger kids. I'm good on those. Got 76ers. Got Bulls. Got Raptors. This Lakers one is dope. I don't have one with stars on the side right here. 64. So is that $38 or something like that? For mediums. Large too, got the Vince Carters. I think this is the one where I got the black jacket. And yeah, $83 down to $56, and then another 40% off. Yeah, this is the G3 brand. This for her. Oh, it's a women's. I think it's a women's, right? Yeah, it's a women's. It says right there. Yeah, $56 for the large. Checking out the XL section right here. Do got Swingman jerseys, Hornet Swingman, LaMelo balls. Right. Didn't even see the price. 65 for those. Chargers 47 brand, $56 for the hoodie right there. Got a Rams 47 brand, $56. Dodgers shirt, just 20 something. 68 for that Chargers one. Cowboys hoodie right here. Tough week for you guys. $49 right there. XL. This is a youth though. Youth Lakers shorts. $45. Pretty dope with the new logo. Double XL. $90 for the LeBron jersey. Fanatics NHL Minnesota jersey going for $55. Double XL. Got these shorts right here. Saw them earlier for $64. Then you get the 40 on top of that. That's about it, yo. I did scour at this location. They don't really have that many hats and stuff like that. All right, let's head on to the next spot. The newer, bigger JD Sports. Surprised they still have these Jordan 1 low OGs. Did they get a restock on these? What the hell? $140 for those. Latest release right there. But this is pretty much their Jordan collection right here. Dude got these Jordan 1 high OGs on sale, $40 off for these. And of course they got plenty of dunks as well, including dunks on sale, $15 off. That is a pretty good start. Got plenty of those. $100 for Ultra Boosts at the retail shops. That's pretty crazy. Got Prestos right here, and then got Vomeros. Vomero 5s, these are the retros. And they got University Blue colorway right here, one that everybody loves. Pretty dope. And that's the cheapest I've ever seen 2002 Rs. You serious? $70 off? Oh no, my bad. $40 off. 40 bucks off 2002 Rs. That's the first time I've ever seen those on sale. Okay. Got a couple on sale now. That's what's up. And then we have been seeing the 550s on sale. Virtually every one of them on sale. Not huge discounts, but hey, it's getting there. It's getting there. Next gens go for outlet like prices, pretty much 50% off, and then even the 21 starting to go on sale. I don't know what stores to go to though, because I've talked about these being $100 at some stores. And I guess that other side was just the Jordan 1s. Dude got Cherry 12s, which is super surprising. 11 low IEs on sale. Comforts right there. Chambres. Dude got the Jordan 7 Chambres on sale, $70 off. And then we're stopping by this penultimate store right here. Dude got a couple of dunks. Someone called these the Freddy Krueger dunks in my comments, and I'm like, no, the Freddy Krueger dunks, like there are Freddy Krueger dunks, and those are one of the most exclusive sneaker ever, the SB Freddy Krueger dunks. So yeah, I wouldn't call these that. And they got these highs right here, which ain't bad. And then dude got some, what are these, Chucks? Not Chucks? I don't know. They got those for 20 bucks. But to be honest, not much else to really show you guys. Kind of a slow time in the sneaker world. All right, let's go to the last spot. Got those, I guess. Do got one last store right here. This place does have an amazing Jordan section, which is separate from everywhere else. They do put the Jordan releases on the 23 right there. They got other Jordans right here as well, including the satin bread ones right here, which are on sale for $135. But they do have one of the best Jordan selections around. Do got the 4s right here. What are these, the olive or something? Wonder if I should have skipped these, because look, like this is one of the few 4s that don't have the netting. One of the few. And then man, this part's leather instead of plastic. Kind of appreciating these a little bit more now. Got the 3s right there, got the 1s right here, and everything's backlit, so it's probably dark as hell. But yeah, I do got these one low OGs right here, looking hella nice with that color right there. I think 13s right here. Got the 2s, the Christmas 2s right there, the latest ones. And then these ones right here, you think they're on sale? Yep, $140. So $40 off of those. Yeah, $40 off. And the Luca 2s on sale for $90. $80 for these bad boys right here. And I think they're all going for 90 bucks. This one right here going for 100. Got the 38s right here, the Jordan 38s. And they're on sale too, $140 for those. Got mids, comforts, lows right here. And they put the women's on this side right here. And they do have sales on the women's stuff as well. Then I am wearing a Niners jacket right here. Niners better win, man. Niners better win. They're going to be playing when y'all are watching, or unless you watch super early in the morning. But Niners better win, man. Let's go. Let's go. 9.5 point favorites. All kinds of dunks, starting with lows right there. Lows, is that? Did we release the fog gray? Did they? Oh, smoke gray, platinum tint. Okay, then they got highs up top as well. And then do got the latest Barkley release. These bad boys just came out. And this is definitely one of the OGs, man. CB94s right here. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Bulky as hell, but not bad. All right, I think that's pretty much about it. We're gonna wrap it up. If you guys do wanna check out my last video where we did stop by, I think, what, the Cerritos Mall, go check that out. And then if you wanna check out any of my other mall vlogs, go ahead, click on these bad boys right here. Make sure you help a boy out, press that like button if you're new, subscribe. And we're out. And if you guys do join my membership, you do get videos a lot quicker. Try to release them by the next day. And we out, man. We out. Let's go.